All right, guys, so this is part 2 of our problem solving with comparing fractions. And we are going to need our fraction strips again to help us model how to do the problems. This is usually what we do for homework. So basically, I'm just helping you out with the homework a little bit here. So let's go ahead and look at the first problem. It says, Lucas skates 2/3 of a mile from his home to school. Isabella skates 2/4 of a mile to get to school. Who skates further? All right, so what is it asking us to find? Who skates further? And what's the important information? 2/3 and 2/4. All right, so let's go ahead and take out our fraction strips. A fourth and then a third. So we know what they look like. Oh, mine are all stuck together. So a fourth, we used these before. This is the yellow one. And a third, kind of an orangey color. Now when we put these next to each other, which one's bigger? The third, right? So if we have 2/3, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. It's a lot of balancing on my part. 2/3. And we also have 2/4. Which person skated farther? Which one of our fractions is bigger? You're right, the 2/3 is bigger. So we're going to go ahead and write Lewis, which it already has it written for you. Okay, let's go on and look at number 2. It says Sandra makes a pizza. She puts mushrooms on 2/8 of the pizza. She adds green peppers to 5/8 of the pizza. So this time we have the same denominator. So we don't have to worry about the sizes of the pieces because we all have the same size pieces. The little brown ones are the 8s. Now, she has 2/8 mushrooms. So she's got 2 of these that are mushrooms. Just 5 of these that are green pepper. Which one is going to be more? 2 of these or 5 of these? Yeah, the 5/8 is more because 5 of these is way more than 3 of them or 2 of them. All right, so is this mushrooms or is this green pepper? This is when you go back and read. Sandra makes a pizza. She puts mushrooms on 2/8 of the pizza. She adds green peppers on 5/8 of the pizza. Which topping covers more of the pizza? It's the green peppers, right? So we're going to write green peppers. I'm sorry, my pen's not working today, so my handwriting is super sloppy. All right, so you can do the rest of this page on your own. I trust you. You guys will get it anyway, no problem. And let's take a second. Yep, the rest of them, you're still just got to pull out your fractions and think about it. And on the next page, we have a little bit of a quiz. So you're just going to have to put greater than or less than in the middle. Here, see where that circle is? You have to put a greater than, less than, or equal sign in the middle. So the same thing, you want to pull out your fractions for that. And then on the bottom, you're doing some review. And it's more about fractions. And a little bit about arrays and patterns. You guys are going to do fabulous on this. I'm excited. All right, so you guys have a great rest of your afternoon. 11